I asked 4 different AI models the exact same money question, and they completely disagreed. Here's what each one said. The question: what is the single most underrated way to use AI to save or make money in 2026?
DeepSeek went defensive. Use AI as a financial coach. Let it watch your spending, block the food delivery app on your stressful days, and cancel forgotten free trials the second they end.
Gemini went entrepreneurial. Use AI for affiliate marketing. Find a niche, auto-generate honest reviews, and turn the products you already recommend into passive income.
GPT played it safe. Let an AI budgeting app find the subscriptions you forgot about, save a few hundred a year, then quietly funnel that into a low-cost index fund.
Grok went aggressive. Use AI to write hyper-personalized cold outreach. Feed it a prospect's profile, test 10 versions, automate the send. People are closing $1,000 deals in under an hour a week.
But notice what none of them said. Get rich quick. Every single answer was a real, boring, repeatable system. That is the actual signal here. And here's the pattern. 2 of them save your money. 2 of them make you money. The budgeting one is the one almost anyone can start tonight. The sales one pays the most, but only if you can sell. For ADS, for answers, which one would you actually try? Follow AI Edge Lab, where we put AI to work on your money and your time.